Find the name following from the chart. Two animals, two birds, cock, parrot. Three things we play with the bat, ball, top. Four things we eat: carrot, potato, tomato, banana. How many five letters do you see in the chart? वरील तक्त्यात पाच अक्षरी शब्द किती आहेत शोधा आणि लिहा. Three words: table, clock, tiger. How many six letters words do you see here in the वरील तक्त्यात तुम्हाला सहा अक्षरी शब्द किती दिसतात ते पहा आणि लिहा. Five words: parrot, tomato, banana, carrot, potato. Thanks for watching. Please like and share.